Hello and welcome to the Better Emotional Health channel. My name is GS and I'll be your host for this video. Today in this video, I'm going to talk about how negative emotions such as anger, low mood or anxiety can be harnessed and used for positive benefits and in the process take the sting out of emotional suffering. Before I start, please remember to subscribe to this channel by hitting that subscribe button right now. I've made subtitles for this video, so please use the YouTube subtitle functionality to help your understanding of this video. So let us begin. We have all experienced negative emotions, the obvious examples being sadness, anger, anxiety, etc. The good news is these emotions, like all emotions, are fleeting and will pass. However, how can we turn negative emotions into a positive benefit? Well, these negative emotions are sending us a message. They are trying to tell us something, which is something is not right. Negative emotions are messengers telling us something needs changing in our lives and we need to take some course of action where we can bring positive change to our lives. This can be letting go of certain toxic people in our lives, changing jobs, or not to dwell on the past and change the way we think about past events in our lives. Negative emotions can be classified under the umbrella of emotional pain. This emotional pain can be compared to physical pain. When you experience physical pain in your body, you know something is not right, and if the physical pain continues, you will of course go to see your doctor. The physical pain you experience in your body is a message that all is not well and is nudging you to fix what is wrong. Emotional pain, whether it be sadness, anger or anxiety, is also sending you a message that something is not right emotionally and is an indicator for you to take some kind of action to remedy the problem. If we ignore our emotional pain and let it fester, then like any gaping wound, it will grow and start to cause real problems down the track. Emotional pain will grow and get more problematic if we ignore it and do not take the time to address what the cause of it is, and then take steps to tackle the emotional pain with some kind of positive action. I'm going to end the video by giving you the case study of a young lady called Lavender. Lavender was a conservationist and loved preserving nature and the rural surroundings. One day when surfing the internet, she read a story about how a healthy 400-year-old tree was hacked down by mistake by tree surgeons who were given the wrong instructions. This healthy 400-year-old tree was held in high regard by the local community, who saw it as part of their local rural heritage. Lavender, being a nature conservationist, became intensely angry as she read this unfortunate story. This anger stayed with her for several days. She felt she had to do something positive and not let this mistake ever happen again to our rural heritage. So, what did she do? How did she turn her anger into positive action? Firstly, she wrote to her elected representative to inform them what had happened to the 400-year-old tree and how the law must be tightened to stop this from happening again. The other thing she did was to volunteer for a local tree conservation charity which looks after and preserves old heritage trees, like the one which was so unfortunately chopped down. So, there you have it. This is how Lavender turned her emotional pain of anger into positive action, where she is now helping to preserve old heritage trees. Lavender had exchanged her feelings of anger for positive action. The positive action was her volunteering and campaigning. This activism helped her personal growth and development. I hope you found this video useful. Please get involved in the conversation by leaving a reply in the comment section below and tell me what you think. If you like this video, give it a like and share it with others who may find it useful. It would be great to get more subscribers, so hit that subscribe button right now. Thank you all for watching the Better Emotional Health channel. I'm your host GS and see you all again soon.